Now, at long last, Milwaukee have got into storage. Not before time, you might say, but one of the advantages of being late to the party is that you can have a look at the competition, see what they've done, and improve on it. So let's go and see if they have, in fact, improved upon what's already out there. So now we're coming into storage with Chris Hansler, and at last Milwaukee have got serious about storage, yeah?
Finally.
Up to range, yeah. So what have you got?
So we got the new modular storage system of Milwaukee that is called PACKOUT. So you can carry all your hand tools and the little pieces and things like a drill driver or an impact driver with you.
Oh, why can't I get that off?
Heavily reinforced handles, but there's a mechanism on the bottom of all of these bags and boxes that will actually secure the connection. So when we stack it on, that popping sound is actually the securing of this connection.
It's brilliant. So the whole lot on this trolley, which is amazing, a good rugged trolley, I'd say. You've got to have one that's good for going over rough ground, yeah?
Rough ground, or, well, the tires are 23 centimeter wheels. That's a very unique measurement in this system category. And they help you up and down stairs if you need your tools there.
You know, this is the problem these days. In London, because we now have congestion charge and it may cost you £50 to park your van for the day, say, you know, and congestion charge. So the guys, what they do is they come in on the train, on the underground, with their tools, or like this.
It's a very easy way then.
Well, it's the only way now, you know.
Yeah, probably.
And then they've got to park, you know, a kilometre away from where they're working, all up from the van. So it's a nightmare. So this is absolutely essential, this kind of thing, for a lot of people. And
if you need to go and take the subway or something, well, take your PACKOUT with you.
I went to Venice recently.
Yeah.
And I saw the guys, the trouble they have there, because all those canals, those little bridges, and they've got to bump their tools up and down, and tools falling off a trolley. So let's just have a quick, if we can, breakdown of what we've got. So we've got screw boxes here, yeah?
Yeah, so organizers, all with the same unique pattern.
Okay, yeah.
So this is the compact size.
Yeah.
We have the regular size. So the full size.
Yep.
Get that red leather up.
Got it.
So it goes off.
And this is the toolbox for...
This is the toolbox, and if we have the handle down, like that, we can actually open each of these boxes, even if they are stacked together. So straight away we can see enough space to fit some tools, have some loose bits and bobs in it, and there's a dedicated place for our tick.
Yes, okay.
When you're moving from job site to job site, track and trace all your tools.
So this tick, this is part of the one key system.
Exactly.
And it goes on there, and then once you know where that is, you know where all your tools are. Great idea.
Exactly
really
that.
Good idea, yeah. I'm a big fan. And a place for a padlock as well. If you want.
Reinforced holes.
Yeah. So this is like double skinned, isn't it, this stuff? It's pretty old tough.
Yeah, it's double skinned, and all the walls, we have made them 4mm thick. So they're highly impact resistant.
Well, we saw your drop test over there that you did.
13 kilos.
of block.
So that's a massive impact.
Brilliant. All right, thanks very much, Chris. Good,
Thank you.
Good demo.